Jim from Sealy has a question about a concrete deck.
Well, it surrounds his in-ground pool, is where he's talking about, Tom. And Jim writes to us, 3 sides slope off to the backyard and 1 connects to the house. And 2 of the 3 sides drop off about 4 feet to the rest of the yard. And we're experiencing a fair amount of water runoff, which is eroding the beds and washing out the fill, causing the deck slabs to start to dip down and pull away from the pool coping. And he says it's been gradual, but now it's starting to be a problem, and he wants to know who should he call to address this.
You're going to have 2 calls you're going to make. One is to Concrete Raising Corporation. Let's get that concrete back in place. But then you're going to have landscaping issues that are going to have to be dealt with also, and that would be Family Landscapes. Call Tom over there, because they get a lot of erosion, and that all needs to be taken care of. Maybe retaining walls, something to hold back all that erosion that's going to happen. But you can raise that concrete up with Concrete Raising Corporation. They have ways to do it.
Cool. And if you want to see a video about that, I think if you scroll back on our Facebook page, there's a video of us doing that. And it's pretty cool how they do it. It takes minutes. They drill a couple holes, they pump this stuff in, next thing you know, thing comes right up.
Yeah, but it's a little more than minutes. Well, everything's minutes. It's like a lot of minutes and a little minutes.
No, it's like Stephen Wright says, everything's within walking distance if you have enough time.
That's right.
All right, and if you've got time to send us a question, we've got time to give you an answer. Go ahead and go to the HomeShowRadio.com website. Use the Ask Tom form and send it to us. Click the subscribe button and click the bell, and we'll tell you when we post new questions and answers.